Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add fixed or custom price field in contact form in Wix. Before starting work is my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in contact page and this is our form, contact us. So we are going to add fixed price field or custom price field in contact form. So click on it and then you see edit form. So again click on it. So we are in Wix form dashboard. Now you see multiple option, add form field and then you see payment. So click on it. Now you see fixed price field, custom price field. So you can add fixed price, drag and drop here like this. Now add it. So you can add field title, fixed price, payment amount 10. If you want, you can add field description. Now you see. So it's up to you. And then you see payment setting, accepting payment. Now go to advanced. Now you see field key, back to general. First click on save. Now save done. Now go to custom price field. So drag and drop here like this. Now add it. Now you see field title, custom price. Minimum amount you can set 1. Maximum amount if you want you can set like $20. So it's up to you. And then if you want you can make it required field. If you want you can add placeholder text. Enter an amount. If you want you can enable field description. So it's up to you. And then click on save first. Now both field save in Wix form. And then you see payment setting, accepting payment. So click on manage. Now you see we are in setting, accept payment. Now you see manual payment. Start accepting online payment today by upgrade to a premium plan. We are using free version. So you can upgrade your plan. So after you can do setting, back to form. So click on it. Now click on save again. Now done, close and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page and refresh the page. So we are in contact page. Now you see custom price field, enter an amount. And then you see fixed price 10. So it's up to you. If you want you can add custom price field or if you want you can add fixed price field in Wix form. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.